In 2017, I set a target. I wanted to write 1 million words in 10 years. And in 2026, I've managed to meet that target. I've posted around 1,500 posts and just over 1 million words. Now, most of those words have been on my blog, which some of you are seeing right now, and it's been a very useful way to help me think through and understand concepts in management. Having got to this point, I think I'd like to set my next goal. And now in 2026, I think what I'm interested in is being able to explain what I do more clearly. I'd like to be able to get better at speaking to a camera or speaking in front of people and talking through some of these ideas. So my next target is going to be 1,000 videos or vlogs, and I'd like to do that over the next 5 years. So that takes me to about 2030. And hopefully what I'll be doing is building on the ability that I've developed over this period of being able to take an idea and work at it to try and understand the essence of those ideas and explain them in text. And now hopefully I'll be able to build on that learning to be able to create some kind of an explainer that'll help to make those ideas both clearer to me and to anyone who is listening and finds them useful. From a process point of view, I've always been interested in trying to see how we can get from start to finish as quickly as possible. So with writing, for example, it's about starting with drawing an image and then drafting text and then combining those and posting them to WordPress. With video, it's a little more complicated. You still need to create the video itself, but you have several options for how we create video. And so I'm going to constrain myself to whiteboard explainers, so the kind of thing you're seeing right now, essentially a talking head and some content as an explainer. I'd like to do this as a one-take video. So the idea is you press record, you say what you need to say, you stop, and the product is done. This is something that I've learned from Lodge McCammon, who's put a lot of videos out there around flipped learning and flipped teaching. And then it's going to be what's the most useful way or the cleanest way to get this uploaded and posted. So this is the first video in the series. It just sets out what my goal is now for the next 5 years and a starting point as to how I'm going to try and do this. And over the coming weeks and months, I will hopefully carry on with this idea, and in each video try and explore an idea, find what the essence of it is and what it means for us in terms of action or insight into how we make decisions, both as individuals and as groups.